wanted. Nothing to do.
Would you like to hear it? Okay. Okay.
You want a pony too?
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
I said a dog. I said
That's it?
How about Mrs. Michael? Okay, Michael.
You're so silly. You were talking to Santa?
Santa.
And what did you ask him for?
pony.
Where are you going to put it?
And
Where are you going to put your pony?
in my, where I put my little thing.
What little things in the living room?
Yeah.
It's not going to fit in the living room. Ponies are big, silly. What do you really want?
A big pony. Why?
What do you keep telling Mama that you want? What?
I will, honey. I will.
And Sierra, what did you ask for?
I asked for a pony.
A pony. Is that why Mira wants a pony too?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you keep telling me all week that you wanted, Amira?
A GPS?
GPS iPod.
Yes, I got the cheap pizza.
No, she said her sight's far.